Omubirigiro mbibuzo bya senior ya mukago mwaka 2025 nibyoreka kwa beji ebicweka 98 n'obutonyeza mwenda bashikira higuru kandi nibija kutunga amabaruha gaza certificate abeje emitwari 16,800 nibo bashitamire buza ebi kandi ababeyongireho bucweka 17 n'obutonyeza bubiri wagerageranisa n'aba babikozera omwaka gw'2024 aho abeje emitwari 14 10,996 bashitamire buzo nibyo bimwe umuryaba abojone emitwaro 9,336 abari gukora ebicweka 5,600 n'obutonyeza bushatu kandi abishiki n'emitwaro 7,200 abari gukora ebicweka 4 n'obutonyeza 7.
Professor Celestine Oboa, the chairman of board, officially hands over the USCE UNEB examination results.
This year, the board has assessed for certification a total of 1,402,434 compared to 1,294,731 candidates in the year 2025.
kandi abeji bona okutwariza hamwe bakozereje amashomo nko kubara ebyobuhinji economics, geography hamwe na chemistry bit bakora kubi ebyedini physics otiremo no kutera ebishani ningashi fine art abeje emitwari 11,391 abarokora ebicweka 98 n'obutonyeza mukaga nibo bashikire okuza kukora amashomo gaza degree aha matendekera gaza university kandi batungire principal passes ibiri wagerageranisa nabo emitwaro 9,223 abarokora obucweka 65 n'obutonyeza 5 abashikire byo mwaka gw'2024.
Mama, I also report on the performance of large entry subjects. Of course, there are a number of subjects that are offered at this level, but we are reporting on the subjects which attract the greatest majority of the learners.
Daniel Odong mukuru w'ekitongore kya UNEB nagira ngo nubwo abeje bashikire bitu bateganisibwe practicals. Minister w'ebyo bwegese n'emizano Janet Kataha Museveni yashabeji obutehwa amasiko nokwe kubashabo kweyongerayo misho no kushoma kwabo.
We thank God for the 1,402,434 of our children who completed the 3 levels of our basic and secondary education.
Minister Kataha yayoreko kushemererwa aha mubare gw'abana babishiki abeyonjire omukwika amashomo gebya science aho yayoreka amasiko ngwihangeri nirgija kubargina abakazi binji abashomere bya science na teknolojia.
I applaud the board and staff of UNEB for this achievement because UNEB has indeed successfully discharged its mandate to the expectations of the nation and on time, despite the large increase in candidature.
Bwanyuma y'ekitongore kya UNEB kushohoza bigeze ebi abeji batari bamwe na bamwe abashomesa hamwe n'abazire babo bayoreko kushemererwa okubikora kurunji.
Nikora mathematics or geography kandi nyine 18 points nisomera Sunday High School sana Nahika University next year nyenda kora Bachelor of Commerce.
Abeja abantu basima bazire hamwe n'abashomesa okubakwatiraho cyango okuhike bigeze ebi
Koze obonere 17 ninyebaza mukama munonga aho kwabo mani ganje tinakubasize kureka habwa mani geyi kandi ikindi kinkumwebaraza nahabwo bashomesa bitu barungi abutwine abafire munonga bakatushomesa je bakamara service bwen bakatuberaho umprepo bakazisupervisinga
tuna bana mukaga bine points abira mu ryabiri kandi bakora abantu bakora BCM bona umwe wari kora PTM TD abandi 10,19 kandi bakora ibisayansa mwe tuchaza kugira ngo twashemererwa munonga kugira ngo abana bona bakyo mu madarago gahigura munonga.
I'm really happy I succeeded in my exams. We're here at Standard High School. Zana, my name is Steve Derrick. I passed so well in my exams. I'm really happy. I really thank my mom, my teachers. We really put in hard work. We need to live
ombigezebi ahambohe enshanju okuruga omu kihome kya Ruzera 68 nabo bashatwire buzebi kandi ahari aba nibakora ebicweka 9 aha bashikire ndi Edwin Ram na Elias Rutugusa.